Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run Red Dead Redemption 2 without the Rockstar Games launcher. We will cover several straightforward methods to achieve this. First, we'll look at leveraging other popular game platforms. Then, we'll explore direct executable access and important considerations. Our goal is to simplify your game launch experience, saving you a few clicks each time you play. Many players own Red Dead Redemption 2 through Steam or the Epic Games Store. When you launch the game from either of these platforms, they typically handle the Rockstar Games Launcher integration for you. This means the Rockstar Launcher often runs in the background, but you won't directly interact with its interface. It's a seamless way to start your game with one click. Another approach involves finding the game's main executable file. Navigate to your Red Dead Redemption 2 installation folder, usually found in Program Files. Locate the RDR2 exe file. You can create a desktop shortcut to this executable for quick access. While this bypasses the launcher's front end, the Rockstar Games launcher might still initialize silently for DRM checks. It's crucial to remember that while you can bypass the direct interface, the Rockstar Games launcher is often still necessary for game updates, online play, and verifying ownership. Always ensure your copy of Red Dead Redemption 2 is legally purchased and linked to your account. Backing up your game save files is also a wise practice before attempting any system modifications. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.